Alright guys, working on the SL 500 or 500 SL, I'm sorry, 92, so 500 SL. After that it turned into the SL 500. So replacing one of these cylinders here. I got a good used one, so I'm going to replace the rear internal cylinder. So what I did was I took off the first pin, like a Cotter pin at the top that holds it at the top to the internal cover lift. It's on the outside, so I pull that out. All right, I release these from this here. These two hoses will come out. Just pull them out. Once you release those pins, you gotta pull them straight back like that. And this one the same. Pull it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna release this Cotter pin at the bottom. So just pull this out. This is all being done through the trunk. So there you go. I'm gonna just tip this a little bit here and then push it through. Here we go. Just to go over that little hump, and then I can just pull it with my hand. See that? So now I'm gonna just push this back. That holds that, and this is how this works here. Just slides over in the pinhole and then pushes that, and then it locks in. Alright, there we go. So I'm gonna leave this here. This is the top, this is the bottom. Top here, bottom here. So this is ready to come out. So what I'm gonna do is push it sideways. Push it off of here. Let me see. There we go. I should be able to just push that out. As far as I know, should just slide off. I might have to help it with my screwdriver here, Flathead. There we go. Just pried it off. Pull this, drop it down. So this is what it looks like here. And this is leaking. It's leaking all through here. Oh shit. Alright, obviously there's still fluid in there. So it's leaking all through here at the top. So I'm going to replace it with this. This one's supposed to be good, so I'm going to replace it, and then I'm going to take this apart and see what I can do with it. Okay, it's all original parts. This is from a newer one, R129, so I was told that it was working. I'm going to do this for now. Hopefully it works, then I can get the top working, and then I can work on this one that's actually really bad, because I think I have another one on that side, but it's not the main one, it's a small one. So then I'll pull it apart and see what I can do as far as fixing it myself, and then maybe I can make a video of that. But that would be cool to do. So I'm going to just put it in just like this. Set it up. Okay. This is kind of just trying it out. I have the clip here. That's supposed to go in there and push. I'm going to use a needle nose to get in there. I think the needle nose I have here should be good to go. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is kind of, like I said, just kind of a primitive way of doing it. I wanted to just try it out and see if it works well. Then I can secure it properly. You can see all the fluid that has fallen down and leaked out of the old one here. Let's see if it'll work. Let's see, do this here. That should go in. Push this in. Alright, so I got that locked in there. It's not going to come out. So I'm going to put this right in here and then lock in the bottom piece. Just like that. Remember I told you how I just slide this in and it clips on at the bottom. Just like that. It's not going anywhere. And then I'm going to put these clips for these here. I'll put the bottom on first. And the top is right here. So I'm going to put the bottom on here first. Lock it in. Just like that. And that's just like, you know, it's not hard once you get it all together. I've done this. I did this in my CLK 500. You can see some of my other videos where I, worked on the tops and the cylinders. This is gonna go down as well. Should go into the top here. Oh, let me get it in here properly. Am I doing it right? Let me see. I think so. There we go. Okay. Let me try and make sure I got it in here properly. There we go. It's locked in. Yep, it's locked in. The bottom is locked in. It's locked in. The top. So this is secure. Alright. So what I'm going to do is fill it with some more fuel. And then I'll do, it looks like I might have dropped the thing from the top. That might be, that goes inside one of the loops. Probably, maybe. Let's see, does that fit? No, that's from something else. No, it doesn't belong there. Alright. I'll check that out. I think it belongs on the back, maybe. Alright, so that's good. What I'm going to do is fill it up and see if the top goes up and down without all the fuel rather the Pitocin. CHF fluid going in all over the place. You know, it looks like there's multiple leaks. I know there's a leak over here. I know there's a leak over here. I know that leak is from the bottom. So I'm going to work on this. Still have fluid in here. Alright. Gonna clean all this stuff up after I'm done. Gonna have to fill this back up and try again and see. how it does. You see all the fluid came down here, so it moved up to the front. I'm gonna look in here and see as well. Hopefully there's no crack here in here, because this was you know, the gurgling sound when there's air in the line. So that's what I was getting. I'm gonna flush this whole system out, but I wanted to make sure I locate the leaks as best I can. You know, thankfully there's a filter on that. So again, like and subscribe, leave your comments, satirical remarks, jokes, yada yada, and check out my other videos. That would be cool. And wish me some luck. Hopefully this works and I can get this top going up and down. And then I'll work on the other sides. But what I really want to do is make sure that at least I have some extra cylinders that I could work on to take apart, you know, look into and see how they work. I want to make sure that this is not leaking somewhere that I'm messing out, because let's see here, it's supposed to be on here, so that should be fine. Let's see if I need to tighten that up a little bit. See if that works. No, that's pretty tight. Alright, so I'm gonna see if it works. Let's get in here. Now it's season, get a little warmer. Poor R129 needs some love. But it's coming together. It's nice red with the tan top and tan interior. I did the seat covers, so definitely upgraded the look. All right, let's see. All right, it's jumping up. Okay, it's doing better than it was last time. Oh, all right. There we go. Let me stop right there, take a look and see what's going on. So this is leaking here. I just saw it leaking. Oh, this little piece here is leaking. Yeah. Oh, look at all this fluid. So this little cylinder here is leaking as well. Well, at least this is good. This piece is good right here. So that's what I just changed here. So that's fine. Let's see. Like I said, like and subscribe. Oh man, And this is leaking too. Oh wow, this is not the main one. Shit. Look at this. This baby's leaking. Alright, so then I gotta get all of them fixed. I gotta go through all of them now. These weren't leaking last year. Oh boy. All of them are leaking. I'm not surprised, unfortunately. Wow. Yeah. This one is dry. But I think the little one here, this one on the side here, that's leaking. I believe so. Leaking at the bottom there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking them apart, looking at the checking all the gaskets. But right now we put this back up. All right. Okay, so that's good. I think it's supposed to rain tonight, so at least I know that the top is up. The main leak back there was good to go. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Settin007 out.